healthier kitchen. So it is such an important effort that you should be making, especially during this period that you are staying at home. Like, how do you really make that important decision on your diet that at the end of the day you are still maintaining your weight, or at the end of the day you are still eating the good amount of nutrients or combination of nutrients in your diet? So for me, I have this idea of, what if there is So it's really very easy to prepare this. What you actually just need is this Nutrimeal flavor. We will be using 2 scoops of the product. And then aside from that 2 scoops of Nutrimeal, you can also add the fiber if you have it. So this is a Fiber G supplement from USANA as well. So just 1 tablespoon is fine. I have here the scoop, but it's just 1 tablespoon. And then you can add water. Really very easy and quick. By adding just the water, you can also add ice cube that you prepared. So we have here some amount of ice cube. And then with that, we also have here our USANA Nutrimeal, okay, strawberry. Then we have here our pineapple, okay. So I would say this is the quickest way to prepare it, okay. I love it. And then you can just easily blend it. Voila! Now you have your breakfast. It's only 250 calories of breakfast. Good amount of, it's actually gluten free. So if you have your friends in the house, if you want to give them that healthier snack or meal replacement, then this is it, okay? It's low glycemic. It means it is sugar friendly, okay? It doesn't have that harmful amount of sugar. It's very good for people who would like to replace their meal. So that's what my favorite meal replacement is. It helps me replace unhealthy meals, especially junk food, fast food. I hope that you'll be able to make that decision to not only eat fast food, but should be fast but healthy food, okay? Still remember, your health is your wealth, so take care of it. Have a beautiful morning. With your decision to really take charge of your weight, to manage your weight, I hope that you will remember that there's no overnight cure, there's no overnight pill to lose weight, but including your health, there's no overnight cure for that. To live a healthier, happier lifestyle, you really need to make a healthier decision every day, and you have to live the lifestyle of a healthier person, including the food choices that you have. And you have to remember that you should not be scared to really try to lose weight. You should not be scared to manage your weight. If you are feeling or noticing that you are already gaining weight, it is a sign that you should change the way you're eating, your eating habit. So what you should be doing is remember that your health is your greatest wealth, and take charge of it every day.